Charging your OpenRun Pro 2 Mini bone conduction headphones is simple. So in this video, we'll show you how to connect the cable, what the indicator light means so you know when the battery is ready. Alright, so after unboxing, just locate the Type-C to C cable that came in this compartment. The Type-C is easy and fast because you can use any Type-C brick with it. Just make sure it's functional. Alright guys, so just go ahead, plug it in, and then grab your OpenRun Pro, and at the right earbud, just lift this waterproof rubber flap like this to access the Type-C port, and then just plug it in. After that, just plug in the brick to a functional power source. As soon as you do, it'll immediately show a charging LED. Now, apart from that, any other Type-C cable will work just fine with it. Now, when you're outside, you don't have any conventional power source, you can plug it into a power bank, or maybe with a smartphone that's got juice to share. Even you can plug in this baby to any laptop. Now, once plugged in, it takes about 1 hour for a full charge. Apart from that, in 20 minutes, it reaches around 60%. Also, a 5-minute quick charge before you work out or going out gives up to 1.5 hours of music time. So how, when, and where to charge is totally your call. Thanks for watching.